Hello, guys. Hi, welcome to May's Tarot Healing. This is your financial reading. So, pag nakita mo to, this message is for you. I'm not gonna put any hashtag in here, so I hope it resonates with you guys. Well, marami sa inyo ang okay naman ang financial status nyo. Maybe you guys are curious kung ano ba yung patutunguhan ng pera ninyo. That's why you click this video. Alright, so nakikita ko guys, if hindi nyo pa nararamdaman, the energy of your financial is going to be good. You guys are going to be stable. I think you know how to manage your money or nagsisimula pa lang kayo na seryosohin yung financial nyo. And this is for you guys. I can see that you're going to be fulfilled or satisfied or merong completion pagdating sa inyong financial. Nakikita ko dito na unti-unti niyong mababayaran yung mga utang niyo, unti-unti niyong makukuha yung mga gusto niyong bilhin, unti-unti niyong mase-save yung amount na gusto niyong i-save sa life niyo. But nakikita ko dito na possible meron sa inyong ang tawag do'n? Promotion. Possible magkaroon kayo ng promotion and also iwasan niyo din yung masyadong magpabida-bida pagdating sa pera like ililibre ko kayo, ganto-ganto, party ganyan. Iwasan niyo rin yun. Though gusto niyo or kailangan niyo or gusto niyo mapalibutan kayo ng maraming tao, I think it's time for you guys to be careful with your money, okay? And also kailangan niyo i-improve sa life niyo yung pagiging hindi ko naman sa ano ha, pero yung parang mayabang. Like 'wag niyo i-brag masyado kung anong meron kayo, like keep your privacy, okay? Wag niyo masyadong i-brag sa ibang tao kung ano yung pinagdadaanan niyo or ano yung meron kayo financially. I think, matuto din kayong tuparin yung mga pinangako niyo na bagay sa ibang tao. Kung sinabi niyo na magbibigay kayo ng ganito or kung sinabi niyo na ganito pupunta kayo, I think you should be that way, like walk the talk, okay? Um Ayun, kailangan niyo i-improve 'yan ha. Need din ng konting privacy sa life niyo. Hindi porket nakikita ng ibang tao na nakakaluwag-luwag kayo, umaangat kayo sa life, you have to brag everything. Like, guys, stay silent and let the result speak for you. Eh nakikita ko dito na siguro sa mga single 'no, sa mga single possible may dumating na husband material sa inyo and this person will be a man of words, a man of action as well. So sa mga kasal naman diyan siguro responsable yung mga taong napakasalan nyo or magiging responsable because the king of wands is someone with control, someone with fire. Okay, so a strong masculine is coming for you guys, for those single. And sa mga may boyfriend or jowa na hindi ganito yung description ng mga boyfriend nyo, then that is not the one for you. But yes, this is a financial reading. So nakikita ko dito na you also need to have this boundary, okay? You guys need to have this boundary in your life kasi nakikita ko kaya kayo nauubos financially is because siguro palagi kayo nagbibigay sa ibang tao or 'pag masaya kayo, kayo yung mga tipo ng tao na kailangan bigyan si ganito, libre ko si gano'n, okay. So, this is the time for you guys to have your boundaries. Hindi porket nakakaluwag kayo is bibigay niyo na agad lahat. It's okay to give back when the time you guys are already settled or yung tipong kahit magtagtuyot sa buhay niyo, meron pa rin kayong extra, okay? So you guys need your boundaries, especially sa relatives or families, okay? And nakikita ko dito we have the world. We have the world here. So I think guys, yung blockages nyo is hindi nyo ine-explore masyado or binibigyan ng reward yung sarili ninyo. Okay, yung blockages nyo is yun nga, wala kayong masyadong boundary pagdating sa ibang tao or masyado nyong kinikimkim yung mga problema nyo pagdating sa mga problema. Parang baliktad. Parang kinikimkim nyo yung problema pero kapag may pera kayo, labas na labas kayo. Parang ganun. So nakikita ko dito na you guys also paying attention sa mga sinasabi sa inyo ng ibang tao and you have to stop that. Okay? So nakikita ko dito na you guys needed to be open pagdating sa mga problema or as um, people you trust pagdating sa mga problema nyo, you have to be open. And para maging open din kayo sa opportunities kasi medyo parang baliktad yung ginagawa nyo, no? So nakikita ko dito na you guys need boundaries pero hindi nyo ginagawa. And anong nangyayari, kayo yung nabablock sa sarili nyong grasya, okay? So, Another message here is nakikita ko na this is what's coming for you. The goals. Progress is positive and personal goals will be achieved. So, yun nga. We have the Nine of Cups here. Nakikita ko dito, guys, na you will get whatever it is that you wish for. That's why you need to be really careful. And ngayon pa lang gawin nyo na yung boundaries nyo. Kasi not everyone will be deserved in your abundant life. Okay? So, make sure na don't tell everything to anyone, okay? Pwede mo silang turuan kung paano mo ginawa yung maging abundant, pero wag mong ibigay lahat, okay? So also we have an all here which is telling me na kailangan mo maging wise sa decision mo. Kailangan maging strategic pagdating sa pera mo. There are spiritual messages and great wisdom to be found during this period of transition. So you guys will experience changes, transition, and you needed to be wise and also be aware sa mga signs, gut feelings, things like that na will come to you during this transition. And yun nga, since nakita ko nga dito yung King of Wands, a man, alright? The unity is also here, a time of divine understanding, renewal, peace, and hope. You radiate and attract great love. So I think within this transition, guys, magkakaroon kayo ng someone. Sa mga single 'to ha, or magkakaroon bigla ng relationship like kasabay ng pag-angat ng money niyo is kasabay din ng pagkakaroon ng tamang tao sa buhay niyo. So nakikita ko dito guys na there is a man coming into your life, a masculine, could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, or you guys is already dating someone na bago pa lang and you have not yet seeing the potential, okay? Or sa mga married naman dyan na makakita nito, you guys will be have this change with your partner or yung partner mo mag-change kaya masasabayan niya yung pag-growth nyo or yung growth ng family or magiging okay ang family nyo. Or may nasa-sense ako na magkakatrabaho, something like that. So guys, take whatever it is that resonates with you and that is your reading. Thank you so much.